Hello everyone, this is artist Rabia from Dunia Rang Rangili, Pakistan. Today I want to show you how to make this geometrical repeat pattern in Photoshop. So let's start. I have this motif in my laptop. So I'm going into the file, new, and I'm taking a size 100 by 100. Guys, you can see I have selected the color mode to RGB and the background content is transparent. Hit OK. I have this right here. Simply guys, drag this motif into this file. I'm zooming out to decrease its size. Press enter. Now let's go into the edit and simply click on define pattern. You can name your pattern here. I'm naming it as geometrical. Hit OK. Now let's open a new file to test this. I'm taking the size of my file to 800 by 800 for my pattern. Hit OK. Guys, simply press Shift plus F5 to have this fill option. I'm having in my contents this pattern option, and here in the custom option you can drag this down and you have here geometrical pattern. You can see my pattern is made. Now if you wanna change the background, simply go here and make a new layer. I'm dragging this down and let's choose a color from here. You can choose here any of the color according to your taste. Press Alt Backspace to fill the color. See guys, now I want to show you trick to change the color. Let's go here into adjustment layer and from here choose the hue saturation. You can see from here you can choose any of the color you want according to your taste, according to your need. I'm taking it original. Guys, now this is our pattern is made. Guys, now I wanna show you another trick to make another repeat pattern. From here I'm going into the filter. First I'm merging these layers by Ctrl E. I'm going into the filter and here you can see here other option. Go into the offset. I had taken the size to 100 by 100 of this my artboard. From here now I want to take 50 by 50. It will split the picture into 4 parts. For 50 by 50 you can see 50 up and 50 down. Hit OK. Guys, you can see I have this right here. Now I want to drag this picture again to fill the empty parts. Let's make its size smaller. You can select your picture by pressing Ctrl T to transform. I'm making its size smaller. Guys, you can see I fit this picture right here. Now I want to go into the edit to define my pattern and name it as offset geometric. Hit OK. Guys, now again go into the fill and create a new document. I'm taking the size to 800 by 800 as the previous. Hit OK. Press Shift plus F5 to fill the pattern. I have my pattern here. I want to drag this down. You can see here offset geometric. Hit OK. And you can see it is so elegant. The pattern is filled. Now I want to show you how you can change the background. Simply drag this down. Same like the previous, I'm filling color. I'm taking a lighter tone of the yellow color. Press Alt Backspace to fill the color. You can see guys, the color is filled. Now I want to show you the curves option. If you increase its opacity, see, it will increase the brightness. If you decrease, it will add the shadows and the darkness. I'm taking this as like this, and now I wanna go for the hue saturation to show you other colors. See guys, you can paint this on your any of the shirt and get the super cool effects. Okay guys, this is all for today. If you like my video, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and stay connected. Okay, bye bye. Allah Hafiz.